Hey guys, it's Nikki, and welcome to this week's plan with me in my print impression B6. I know that the lighting on this video is not the best. I did film this in the office instead of in the kitchen. Mom was out there foiling, so I wasn't able to film out there, so I apologize for that. I have tried to fix it, like, to the best of my ability, but it's still not the best. I feel like it's okay. It's not the best, so I'm sorry about that. Also, I think for the next little bit, I am going to be doing my plan with me's as voiceovers. It's just a little bit easier for me because I feel like I'm getting a bit behind again. So yeah, I hope that that is okay with everybody. So for this week, I am using the kit leftovers from the February Little Mystery Kit from Little Miss Papery. I did use this kit in my Erin Condren last week, so this would be just like kind of the accompanying spread in the smaller planner, so I am back planning for this. And I am going to be pulling in a lot of other things as well. It wasn't even really necessary, but I wanted just to try to use some more functional items. I will have my sticker like declutter, destash / reorganization video going up. I don't even want to say when, but that will be like this / next week's vlog video. I'm still working on that, but that was something that was voted pretty high in the Facebook group poll that I did between that and the vegan what I eat in a day. So I want to go ahead and do that one for this coming week. So yeah, just keep an eye out for that. That'll be up as soon as I can get it finished. I'm actually not feeling great again. Again, the weather in North Carolina, it was 60-something yesterday. It's supposed to snow Friday. I think it snowed like, I don't know, sometime last week, and I just feel like it's really messing with me. Anyway, on to the spread. Let me talk about this. So I did washi tape from Simply Gilded. This is just a nice light pink with silver bows. And then I did the date covers that were like the second set in these kits. I really like that she has 2 sets of date covers. And then I did the bow dividers that are new to our shop. These released the past Friday, and we currently have some of these in a different colorway up for $2 Tuesday. So I really love those. That's something that I think for myself is really functional. I did the gold foil for those, so it didn't exactly match my date covers and stuff, but that's okay. Or it did match my date covers, I should say. It didn't match my washi. Also, the date numbers were from my shop as well. I actually ran a sheet out to Mom and had her foil them. So what I'm going to do here is take a 3-heart checklist from the kit, and I'm just going to write in print $2 Tuesday, foil, and package. That is kind of my daily. It's not totally necessary to write that in every single day, but for days that I didn't have like a ton else going on, I went ahead and did a checklist and wrote that in. I did another bow divider, and then I took this, oh, where was that from? I believe that was from Toffee Bananas, who is, I think, now Papershire. I feel like I go through this every single week. Yeah, she is now Papershire. Underneath that, I just did a strip of washi and put in a Girls' Night sticker. I also forgot to mention that there is a flag up at the top with a trash can for my trash / recycling day. And if you guys have any tips for organizing all of these little functional stickers, let me know in the comments down below, because I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do that. I have so many of them right now that I think I'm going to have to maybe make like a favorites binder, and then from there separate out some others, but I'm not sure yet. So in the bottom, I did go ahead and write in laundry, and I took a laundry emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. Moving up to Tuesday, I did one of the girls from our shop that has the stickers that she's packaging, and I just put that over top of a piece of washi. I've been really enjoying those lately, and I've also really been enjoying flat lays. I've got the ones from our shop that I use, but then I also have a bunch from other shops as well. The ones from Papershire, I believe, are my favorite. I just really, really love how hers are done. So I did go ahead and stick in a little thing that had the mail icon, and I wrote in newsletter. Underneath that, I went ahead and did another 3-heart checklist and just wrote in pickless, mass print, and design. I've kind of switched up the way that I am doing things lately, where we are a little bit ahead. So for trying to think of the best way to explain this. I'm trying to have things designed incredibly far in advance. So I'm able, number one, to sneak them early for you guys, which is fun for me. And then I'm also able to start printing them, and we're able to like have them pressing and everything so that they're ready in time. For example, April Mystery, or not April Mystery, but the April Foil Bundle is already totally designed, and I was able to sneak a bit of that, and you guys, I cannot wait. I'll open up signups for that again on like I think it's the 5th through the 8th, or the 4th through the 8th those open. And then on top of that, we've just got new kits too that are ready to go, and I'm just really excited for it, and it makes me, like, as a shop owner, feel really great, and it makes me also feel like not as overwhelmed a lot of the time when it's like trying to get things designed. It's just more, I don't know, it's more creative that way, I feel like, to already, like, or to not be on like a time crunch. If I'm making any sense at all, I might not be. Anyway, back to the spread. So I did just a piece of deco at the very bottom of Tuesday with some washi tape because I didn't have anything else happening. And I wrote in The Bachelor for Tuesday as well. Moving over to Wednesday, I went ahead and stuck down my full box that I had available still from the last kit, or I'm sorry, from that sheet from the kit. And then I did I already say that I put the vlog in? I don't know if I did or not, so there's that. If you did not see, I did a what I eat in a day, technically 2 days vlog, if you're interested in that. Underneath that, I wrote in Gampa's 96th birthday, and those balloons there are from Van Sticky. And then at the bottom of Wednesday, I put in a piece of washi, as well as this like clothesline sticker for laundry. Those are from My Newest Addiction. Over on Thursday, I went ahead and did a Build You sticker up top. Put in another 3-heart checklist and did mass print listings and newsletter. Oh, I'm sorry, not mass print, test prints. That's kind of my day on Thursdays. But being so far ahead, I've actually been able to lessen the workload on Thursdays as far as new releases go, which has been incredibly nice because it's generally like, I don't know, 2 to 4 hours of printing, filming, uploading, and then doing all of the listings. So being able to do some of that throughout the week instead has been really nice as well. So on Thursday, I did take a sticker from our shop that has the laptop, and then at the very bottom, I stuck down a really thick piece of washi. This girl is from Papershire, and then I stuck down the Me Time sticker from Little Miss Papery. And that just combo there of that washi, that girl, and that script is one of my favorite things I think I've ever put into a planner. I love how that looks. I think it's so incredibly cute. So yeah, anyway, so moving on, on Friday stuck down a quarter box and just wrote in new releases. We had a huge functional release this past Friday. That included these bow dividers, and I did up our processing times to 1 to 2 weeks. Just because when working with something like that like there was 4 different backgrounds, 4 different foil colors, that can take us longer just because I have to do the pick list a little bit different, and then we work off of orders normally as far as the foil colors, so it can just take a bit longer. I am hoping to drop our processing back down to 5 to 7 business days soon, though. We are already started on those items. So underneath that, I did another sticker from Papershire, and this girl is just packaging orders. And then I stuck down a sticker that says vlog. And looking back at this now, what I think happened was I intended to put the vlog up on Wednesday, and I didn't, and then it ended up going up on Friday instead. I think that's what actually happened, because I was working off of my horizontal EC. And then on Friday, I had this sheet of like double boxes, but I didn't have quite that much room, so I just took an X-Acto knife and just sliced part of the bottom off so that I could use this as just a little bit of a smaller full box, and I really like how that worked out. So for Saturday, I did take another sticker from Van Sticky, and she is grocery shopping. Went ahead and put that in, and then I also added in PR applications. Those opened on Saturday, and they actually just closed, I believe, yesterday. So I am going to be going through those, and I will be emailing the new members of the team soon. We do have a private Facebook group now for everybody, so we can kind of keep in contact, make it a little bit easier. And then I will announce new PR to you guys probably on March 1st, and I'm really excited to do that as well. I did put in paper delivery on Saturday. My paper was supposed to be here Friday, but it got delayed. And then I just put in Design April Mystery for Sunday with a Lazy Day sticker. And I just slowed this way, way down so that I could exit out this video or like outro out this video. So yeah, this is the finished spread. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Oh wow, look at that slow backup. Wow. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know down in the comments any suggestions for sticker storage, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.